I mean, we never see him from behind, so
Eh?
we don't know. We don't know.
This is true. This is true. Oh man, guys. Well, we're flirting. We're flirting with 25K here on Nasdaq. I mean, we're still holding this pre-market low. ES is just flirting with VPOP. So let's see. It's going to be an interesting open. It's going to be an interesting open. I mean, we open here in less than like 8 minutes. So it's going to be an interesting one, guys. What do you think? Do we open below or above 25K, chat? What do you guys think on Nasdaq? I'm curious.
Oh, we're at 25K right now.
Gold's showing some interesting action. Let's look at gold. Let's look at gold.
Gold's pushing.
Ooh, okay.
Again. Gold is always pushing.
Gold has some room to make up for, but yes. We almost hit 4,000. Not quite, but almost.
Yeah, what was the low yesterday?
Yesterday's low is 40.25.
What? 40. Oh,
4,025.
yeah, no, I see it.
Professor Puzzles things, I think below. Mark says above and then drop. Okay.
Above and then drop.
Yeah, Ghost Trader. That'd be funny.
All right, guys. So we are 6 minutes from the New York Open. We're bouncing around a little bit in the NQ. We got a 5-minute ATR in the NQ of 22 right now, which is a very good number. That sets us up for a good, strong open, and hopefully some movement. Been a great week of movement. Now we do have FOMC meeting next week, and we're still in the heart of earnings. And obviously we had Tesla earnings. NVIDIA won't be for a few weeks. We should have Apple, or do we have Apple already? Hold on. Earnings whisper. Let's check the calendars here.
Apple's earnings are on the 29th.
Okay, so that's next week. All right. All right. Yeah, not a ton today after the close. We do have Intel, which I know they've
What is happening, guys?
All
right, let's bust this out real quick.
AI deals and all of that. Ford,
1, 2, 3,
the only other name, Alaska Airlines. Yeah, not a ton.
Oh, Ford.
So here to
here. Trading.
That's
I don't
it?
think they've even moved since I last looked at them 5 years ago.
What's the stock price?
I'm pretty sure they were at $10 when I looked at them 5 years ago.
We're at 875 now.
Ford?
Yeah.
That's the 18. What are you looking at?
Oh, wait,
What am I
no.
looking at? That's a good question.
You're like, oh, sorry, that was for day.
For the
Taps with 5-minute ATR. I just use it as a measure of range. You know, so I want to see it once we're like 30 minutes into the open, 40 minutes into the open. I want to see it there about, you know, I want to see it in the 20s, preferably the high 20s. We've had some really big numbers on it this week. And if it's, I also use it in conjunction with standard deviation I've gone over that a ton on the show before. So stick around. I'm sure I'll do a deep dive on it. Maybe next week when Miriam's out, we'll have some time. Especially on Monday and Tuesday leading into the Fed meeting, we may have some light markets. We can break down some concepts in a little more detail. But for me, it's just a measure of kind of a volatility and range. But yeah, you want to be careful. You don't want to put too many indicators on your chart, because then it's just chaos in your head, and then all of a sudden you're battling with yourself. And speaking of battles, it's time for the opening bell battle.
All right, baby. It's the baby. Gonna go do the 5-minute close of yesterday.
Oh yeah. All right. Let's get ready. 2 minutes, 45 seconds.
Ooh, it is raining up a storm up here.
Yeah, we had a big storm this morning as well. Pretty crazy.
Yeah.
Our lounge on the balcony almost flew away.
Oh, Alan, the transitions are easy. They really are, because if for some reason I don't have something in mind, I just pick a fight with Miriam, and about 30 seconds in, I'll just tell her, we're going to battle. And then she's like, you motherfucker, you know, so it's...
No, fuck you, man. And then, you know, we're friends again, so.
Yeah.
It's easy to forget.
Yeah. Like I said, you're like the second little sister I never wanted, so...
Yeah, you know, they're same.
So yeah, guys. So it is Thursday.
All right,
Good
all right.
overnight.
We're getting there, guys.
That bodes well for us
It's
in the
getting-
New York session. The
getting
openings have been weird this
crazy.
week, guys. We've had great movement.
Oh,
and some
that's the
great
other thing.
trades. I caught a couple of really nice trades.
There you go.
Before I jumped on with Nick yesterday, and I covered him in the stream. If you go to the end of yesterday's stream, we can talk about that.
We are going to be smart.
Yeah, it's
Okay.
the
Time to get
openings
smart.
have been weird. The orbs have been a little, you know,
We have
choppy those first 5, 10, 15 minutes. So
two
just be
accounts
careful.
here that we're
Yeah,
going to test some
we'll
stuff
get
out on.
a minute away here, guys.
All right. Our most important counts that we're testing.
No, okay,
Today-
we're not frenemies. We're friends. We just shit talk each other.
We have our
No, Ozempic, you're wild for your comments. I'm not gonna lie.
Ozempic is on another level with the
Yeah,
comment.
he is. He's doing
Nope.
it. That's
Like, there's like a gray
And
area
our
with your comments, but you know, you never cross the line.
orb.
You just,
well,
like,
no, I don't know. I think if he said, "Am I at the line?" I'd tell him, "Look behind
He's-
you."
account.
He's walking right on that line. all
Yeah.
the time.
We are going to track today. We're going to be smart about this today.
I love it. It's great.
What? It
The
is.
name Ozempic on the rocks. Love that.
Mm-hmm.
End of the week.
Yeah, but he had a different
Chase it with a
name.
little Angel's Envy, and I'm there. That's
He changed his name though. He was Tom Megatron or something.
okay.
Oh,
well,
Megatron.
Yeah, Tom something. I remember him changing
I'm
his
glad
name.
you changed it.
Can't wait to see what you'll come up with next. All right, guys, we are 10 seconds from New York Open. Check your orders, clear your orders, get locked in, take a deep breath. It is time to go. Ding, ding, motherfuckers. Let's get to work.
All right. All right, so we did open above that 25K mark. We
Strong
tapping right
pull.
into bebop right now. Let's see what we do.
All right, we are starting.
Curious to see if we reject here or if we get up to 25,060. That's kind of the area I'm looking for us to get to if we do continue moving higher here. Let's see what we do. Otherwise, we reject around this area. We don't even get there. Let's see.
The previous 30-minute candle was naughty.
Oh, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Was it, Nick?
Mm-hmm.
It was bad. It was not good. That's what he's implying.
Mm-hmm.
They did not redeem that, yeah.
They no, he didn't redeem himself there. That's he's tried so hard right now.
All right.
Nick, just mute your mic and do it because you know it's.
Just get it out of your system. Oh, man.
Hey, I am in a short.
Ooh, rejection here so far. Let's see what they do. ES is above though. ES is above B5. Let's see. ES is levels that I'm looking for. First line of rejection is going to be 744 unless we just don't even get there and reject here. That's fine. 744 would be that first, but Nasdaq's kind of rejecting in this area so far. So let's see.
All right, this is yesterday's close. VWAP comes in here around here as well.
By the way, I don't know if I told you guys this yet. You two were volunteered for a new project yesterday. Little DGen and I talked about this.
Oh, boy.
We kind of came to an agreement. No. You'll like this one. So the four of us.
It's
so the
a
three of
pretty
us
strong-
and DGen. So we're all we're all in the trading space and we're all in long-term committed relationships, right? Either married or long-term relationship. And so we're starting a trader dating service, and we're not going to rely on an algorithm. It's just the four of us pairing people up.
Yes. I'm here for it. First question is, what do you trade? NASDAQ or
that's it. That's it.
What do you trade?
I like that. Hey, by the way, guys, Tesla's down 4.7%.
And then we're gonna have we'll sell it to Netflix because they fucking buy anything.
Yeah, right.
Is a stream, and then it's the commentary track is gonna be our significant others talking us about what a bad job we're doing.
Yeah, there you go. Oh, that sounds like a blast. What do we call it?
It does. The only problem we couldn't solve is that if we started this, it'd be like 98% dudes. And so
yeah, that is an issue.
Lots of
then really bring
craziness happening right now. It's crazy. Crazy.
Yeah, NQ is not getting the follow through WeWap. Yes, he's there already.
Yeah, a little bit of divergence there. I'd like to wait it out. I'd like to wait out the first 15. That'd be nice. Have a range. Like I said, I'm not loving any sort of trade in this zone that we're in. Pretty much below like 25,100 and above 24,940. So yeah, it's quite a big range, but I'm not in love with anything so far. What are you looking at, Nick?
Same. Like we're in the middle of this entire Asia range, pretty much right in the middle. So not interested in anything. How do we say don't diddle in the middle?
Bears to the right, here I am, stuck in the middle with you.
Down in the middle.
Diddle in the middle. NQ just likes VWAP right now.
Yeah, 2 more candles and it's humping it. So it's,
Oh, that's the definition? 3 candles?
At least 3 candles that can't diverge. Yeah, I need an indicator. I'm gonna get ChatGPT to code that up.
A bebop humping indicator.
Bebop humping indicator, yes.
Bebop humping.
And I will put it in the trading view and it will be free. I'm not kidding.
Whenever it's doing it for
I got a lot on my plate this week, but maybe next week.
Whenever it's doing it for too long, just be like, get a room.
Yeah.
Do you guys ever use the stochastics?
No.
Matt?
I looked into it many years ago. I had a buddy of mine that is a options trader / coach, and he swears by the slow stochastics. He tried explaining them to me at one point, and I think my eyes glazed over. I mean, I understand what it is and the concept of it, but like how he uses it. He honestly, he's one of the best people I've ever met in this business. It's just like he's also one of those that just kind of has it in his head what he's doing, and it's relaying it from the head out into it gets a little difficult. But he's a fantastic trader and a really good person. So
yeah, it's interesting. I mean, yeah, I never used the stochastics, but I think when I first started trading, I was into the MACD, the RSI, like, all those sort of indicators, but stochastic kind of came up during that time. But yeah, I know a few people that also swear by it.
All right.
But I've never looked into it.
Pushing through.
So who in the chat is using it? That's the next question.
Okay, Trader House only use it for scalping. All right, we're getting a little pump here. Let me open my book maps.
Little pumpy pump.
Let's see what we do at this 60 level here. I'm curious.
Guys, by the way, we didn't hit the like goal yet. What's wrong?
Rude.
We're actually 11 likes away. Come on. Smash that like
Got a
button.
sort of a double bottom here.
Hit that like goal.
See some resistance there.
There we go. Now we hit it. Now I need to set up a keyword. Completely forgot. Lul.
You completely forgot?
Yeah.
How dare you?
I'm really sorry, yeah.
Is Tesla dumping?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. All right, who swung puts?
I've honestly with options I've never touched Tesla just because of how erratic and I mean it's there's times like the earnings will be look pretty good, forward guidance is great, and the stock will tank, and then it's like they'll throw out numbers that are it's a multi-trillion-dollar meme stock is what it is. So there's not a lot of rhyme or reason behind it. So
Wait, you hate Tesla?
No,
I do not like playing options on Tesla either. Like I've lost more than I've made on Tesla options. And but it's one of those where when it moves, it'll move. Like Tesla, when it gets momentum, especially on options, it will move. So there have been times where I've made a lot of money playing options on Tesla, but I've also lost a lot of money playing options on Tesla.
Well,
so
and the premiums are insane.
Yeah.
Just because of the IV of the stock, the premiums you are paying more for, I mean, percentage wise, you are paying way more for, the options there than you are other places. So,
yeah. So,
yes, approaching Asia highs now.
We do have some sellers sitting at 75 and then 100 on NASDAQ.
Although as I'm looking at the mags, I really like Amazon if it can push back up over 220.
Oh, didn't they have like a nice move down?
They had a pretty strong, well, they got caught in a lot of the tariff bullshit and the tweets, and they haven't quite recovered that yet. And if you're just looking at the U.S. trading, the New York session, it's been kind of gappy.
Oh,
gappy.
Gappy Amy.
Hey, thanks, Highlands. Thanks for being one of them.
Trying to clear those orders at 75. Let's see.
Yeah, we hear your bubbles again. Bubbling all the way.
Bubbles.
We told you to empty the bong before the show, Miriam.
I'm sorry. Just couldn't help myself. Apparently I'm 5 edibles deep, according to...
Yeah, I mean, that's...
They must know. They must know.
They must know. All right, clear those orders, but not getting the follow through so far. Let's see if they can hold here.
All right, let's see what we can do.
Support sitting there at
what can we do? It's stalling out finally. Like, what's the deal?
Oh, fitty.
Otherwise, holding above 75, I think we target 25,100. Yeah, ES is testing the
range is still pretty small.
Or I guess the trend line that it broke earlier, but ES is feeling a little bit stronger than NASDAQ so far.
Oh, it's so windy right now here. My entire building is shaking. That's pretty crazy.
Frightening. What are you guys susceptible What are you guys susceptible to out there in Switzerland? Like in California, for example, we're susceptible to earthquakes and wildfires.
Nothing.
Nothing. We're just
no, like what the city I live in, literally nothing. We don't have anything.
Damn.
And like further north in Switzerland, we have earthquakes, but like tiny ones. But here. We don't have anything.
Dang. All right. Well, that's good.
Yeah, true. Fair point.
Good
True.
Good talk.
Avalanche in the mountains. Yeah.
Avalanche. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that's fair.
That's fair.
That is fair.
ES coming into its pre-market high, sitting here at 67.51, 75. Let's see if we can clear. Yeah, NASDAQ feeling a little bit weaker. 25,100 has significant, like a wall of sellers sitting there. Could be a spoof, could be real. We'll see. Definitely, they're definitely trying to you know, defend that level there. ES 6750 and 6753 has some significant sellers as well. 6753 has.
All right, now it's coming
1,500
back through.
orders.
I'm gonna give that a short real quick.
Cumulative volume delta is also negative on
I'm gonna take this short down to right there.
in NASDAQ.
Hey, Mayor, Mr. T.
I don't know
is
why
kinda
the whole
apologizing in
thing
the chat
felt
there,
like it just moved down.
or clarifying what he meant.
But we're
yesterday.
gonna go down to resistance real quick. We're just gonna try to scalp that out.
It's all good.
Real quick.
No,
Hopefully
it's all good. It's all good.
down to 304 is where there's a lot of
Listen,
contracts at.
we all have moments in trading where, you know, things work for us. I think in terms of
I
luck,
think
there
we
is a
could
little
do
bit
it,
of luck
but we're
sometimes in
still
certain
haven't
trades,
closed the
right?
range
If you
out, so this is
oversize on a
probably not
position,
gonna make it
goes in
as a
your favor,
trade.
sometimes it doesn't, right? And that's not necessarily
We're
great
hoping
risk
it
management, but
will.
it's in terms of skills and all that, yes, there is definitely more of that involved than luck, but I appreciate you clarifying that. It's all
Let's
good.
see.
We live and learn.
It might do this later.
Let's see
I
if we
kind of
break
probably
this level.
messed
We're
up,
having a little
but
bit of a rejection here.
we're gonna
At the
quickly see if
6750
it
level here
happens
on
or
ES.
not happens.
Curious to see if we get up to pre-market high or if we put in a lower high and then start breaking down here. We have some buyers still on the NASDAQ sitting at that 25,050.
Oh, fitty.
Yeah, I
Kinda
see
don't like
Mastery,
it.
I see the same thing. That's the same thing
Be
that I
honest.
see. 25,100 ES.
I think we're
has
creating
those,
the range
same-
upwards,
a
so
lot of
I'm
sellers
going
sitting
to.
at that,
Yep. Oh, too late.
6753 area as well.
All right, let's go
Gold continues to pump.
get our range up.
Oh, my book maps just stopped working. That's great. Love that. That's fine. I didn't need it anyway.
I didn't really think about that.
It's bubbling again. though.
It is.
We're kind of a little early on these.
Yours on?
Yeah.
I feel like I have it so low.
Can you stop moving around for me?
Curious to see what ES does at 6753.
Book map bubble bath.
Book map bubble bath.
All right, range is
Yeah,
almost
straight up after dark.
here and created.
All right, coming into 53.
Punch
here.
through the rest of that
Let's see.
range.
Oh,
I want the rest of
there's
this range. I
no
want to break
orders,
even
and
here.
Those are gone.
No, that
And they're gone.
can't
Yep.
happen.
They spoofed those. They pulled those orders so quick. Those rats.
So ES went through Asia highs. NQ did not yet.
Yeah.
So the question is NQ going to follow?
Dang.
All right, let's grab the rest of that.
Everyone.
Yes. Yes.
Those mother truckers.
All right.
Mm-mm.
I felt like it wanted to create a big range, right?
Surge it up.
See?
My book maps is flagging.
So I think that's something we got to remember here is that while it's creating this range, it's once we get a certain distance, I think it's going to continue up that range.
Okay.
Something we got to
Hilarious.
possibly remember when they're creating these ranges here, right?
I mean,
Hey.
if you're somewhere it's legal, don't worry about it. If you aren't, yeah, it's just that's my book maps officer. Sorry.
Don't worry about it.
Ursula, nice. Well done. Congrats.
Mom, I'm trading.
Oh man, what a push here on ES. Very, very aggressive.
Yeah. Is NQ
Right,
gonna follow?
right. So we've got 120. So that's
SPX didn't
if we
really.
were looking at
Yeah,
20
SPX
being
closed the gap right at the open, and now we are pumping. All right. Let's see if we hold opening range high. Opening range has been developed here. NASDAQ or ES is sitting at 6753.50, that same level that we had those sellers. NASDAQ 25092. I'm going to be watching for a possible retracement into this area.
I don't like that NASDAQ has not taken out Asia highs yet. So
I don't like
close.
this top wick either on ES so far.
So close. We missed it by like 9 points.
Let's see what we get here. Still holding 25,092 here on NQ. ES kind of flirting with its opening range high.
Yeah, see if we get the push through. Up to previous week high, maybe.
Where's that at?
Previous week high is 25,179.
Okay.
180 basically.
It's getting a nice, yeah, man.
Interesting.
What a strong push so far.
Yeah, NQ is about to approach Asia highs. Still 4 points away. Close. It's close.
I think we got to be careful.
See what ES does here at the 53s. Possibly if we get down there. NASDAQ looking pretty good here.
Looking good for that push.
Very good, yeah. Wow, what a move.
Pretty
What a
insane
move.
from the open. Just up. Green.
Dang, what the heck?
Yeah.
Not a single pullback.
Like, nope, I'm not giving you guys a pullback.
It's like no pullback for you. Sorry. Try again tomorrow.
Oh, that's crazy.
Yeah, I would have liked that.
Bears
pullback.
are apparently still hibernating.
Yeah, clearly. Would have really liked a pullback here.
Keeps going.
Yeah, that's annoying.
Previous week high incoming, like.
Delta just went parabolic.
Well, see if we get it. A lot of volume coming in on this candle too.
We're talking about like as if the value area high was like a
NASDAQ levels to
relatively
the
difficult
upside,
possibility.
25,150.
Yes, we're only 15.
Wow.
So
That's crazy.
I just drew my big profit.
I would like a pullback. Very much
Well,
like
don't we all?
This is not something I want to chase.
Definitely not. I mean, look at those 5-minute candles on NASDAQ. Literally since
Is what it is.
3:10 my time, that is 9:10. No red candle, nothing.
Yeah,
Straight-
I'm not gonna
straight
chase
forward.
this. I'm gonna wait for a pullback. This is
Someone
really frustrating.
That's insane.
Super frustrating. At this point, if I can even get a pullback on ES 6757, NASDAQ pullback to pre-market high 21,128, but
value area high, yes.
keeps fucking going. It's so annoying.
It's green. What the hell? What the hell?
Yeah. Watch them take out this whole move now. Like, that's all we needed. Your turn, Bears. We've seen it happen.
Yeah, true. Very true.
Yeah, we could have it after this dive.
On the 5-minute chart, this looks insane.
Well,
As well, that's crazy.
And it's just
Crazy
kind of a
volume
slow,
on that.
steady I mean, well, not
I don't really know what to make of this one,
steady grind up.
to be honest.
Candles look impressive, but it's not like we're doing those 10.
If we
12
took
candle
the
spikes
5
in
minutes,
NQ,
right?
It's just chewing up the asks.
I think it's a good time to do the giveaway real quick. What do you think?
Yeah, let's do it.
All right, let's do it. So guys, if you want to get the chance to win 100K advanced account, then what you got to do is you got to like the stream, you got to subscribe to the channel, and once I give you guys the keywords, type that keyword into the chat, but only do it once. If you do it more than once, you will get disqualified, and that would be bad. Now,
So if we take the 5-minute opening rate,
let me actually check.
1, 2,
Tesla is down 3.98%.
that's where it's at.
Keyword is Tesla dumb. One word. Like everybody else.
Middle of
8 lanes.
Did she say that before?
46.
Yeah.
Because like,
Just wanted to make sure you didn't miss that part.
8 lanes. I go
8
now.
lanes.
Like everybody else. I'm so glad you showed me that, Mare.
Yeah, you're welcome. See, I'm a trendsetter here.
I'm a trendsetter.
I showed you beatbox, and ew, that's ugly. That's not cute.
That's yucky. Come on, do you not even know your own trends? What the hell?
What the hell, Beyonce? What the hell, LeBron James?
What the hell, LeBron James?
Yeah, I imagine any NBA player is probably a little puckered right now, hoping they don't get the. I'm seeing it's just, so far it's just these two NBA guys, although it's apparently tied to like some mafia things. These guys, yeah.
Crazy.
Absolutely.
Oh, gold looks real cute right now. Yes, getting a little bit of a rejection here at 766. Let's see what we got.
Here, a little bit of weakness coming.
NASDAQ, what are you doing?
What are you doing?
Give me a bit of a pullback. That'd be great.
I think we missed that trade, guys. But we're going to see for a retest here at 129.
Man, not a single red candle here.
Thousands of flip trades.
Maybe on ES in about 40 seconds. Or maybe not, you know. It is what it is. Who needs a pullback when you can just, you know, run up another 200 points?
No, you're Korean move.
That's insane.
Yeah.
Now we got the first red 3-minute candle. But on the 5-minute, it's literally. Wait, let me check.
Still green.
No, but since the open,
Rats.
since the open, it was 169 points without a single red candle on the 5-minute.
Very impressive. Very.
Yes, very impressive, Matt.
It's almost like it's redeeming itself from the move down.
Yeah, kinda.
Order filled and open.
Low risk.
Good times.
What times?
Very good
Good.
times.
Good times.
Good. Yeah.
Yeah. Come on, ES, dude.
Yeah,
Like, give me just like, you know, pull back just a little bit. You can do it.
Let's pick a giveaway winner here, guys.
Yeah, let's do it. Let's do it.
Drew, whenever you're ready. Let the bot run and see who wins a 100K advanced account. Oh, Ozempic! You won it.
No
Hell
way.
yeah.
Hey, there
Let's
we
go.
go.
Ozempic, type something in the chat.
Ozempic. Let's go.
As long as
Yeah, you deserve it. You've
Finally.
been here every single day. We see you. Make sure you add your email address to your YouTube channel description. We can reach out to you and send you your free account code.
Stop shit posting now. Maybe that's what helps.
Yeah, true.
Who knows?
Gotta keep
Congrats.
going now. If you keep going, it might be sufficient for Lightning Funded, you know.
Hey, there you go. There you go.
71 has been number.
Here she comes.
No.
There she
No.
goes.
Order modified.
Last thing I need is to get that fucking song stuck in my head all day.
Mhm.
Sorry, I'm long cruise right now. Oh, no, it's okay.
Could this be a little bit of a topping
17,
candle?
61,
A little
Order
bit.
modified.
A little bit.
A little bit.
67, 71
Bring it
is the
down,
level I think
baby.
we're talking about.
Like we literally
That's the,
perfectly ticked previous week high.
I have
To the tick.
To the tickety tick.
Oh no, you know what? It's actually one tick higher. One tick higher than previous week high.
Ah, is that right?
Yeah, that is right, Mariam.
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 Are you in?
That it.
I'm
Let's see if we hold opening range high here. 67.53.
Watch him run this back down to 100 just to fuck with people.
No, really though. Yeah, you're not wrong.
Maximo is asking what to expect tomorrow regarding CPI. Matt, you said how? What's the expected rate cut?
Well, no, the rate cut's next week. That's Wednesday.
Oh,
FOMC
yeah.
meeting. CPI. Everyone says CPI is coming out. I guess it is. I really haven't looked.
But what's the expected rate cut for next week? That's what I'm
25 basis points.
25.
I need.
Well, I honestly have no idea what CPI is going to bring tomorrow. I'll just wait and see.
I'll just wait and
Tricks
see.
says gotta walk away. Was able to bank $410 before I go. See y'all tomorrow.
Nice.
See ya, Tricks.
Good job, Triggs. There she goes.
Basically below those kind of.
Hey, art of market thinking. You're a wizard, Harry.
You're a wizard, Harry. Harry Potter.
Harry Potter. Ron Weasley.
It's Leviosa, not Leviosa.
Yeah, how fucking annoying was she?
For real. It's like, damn.
Nerd.
Oh, man.
Like, I don't know what the magical school equivalent of getting stuffed in a locker is, but that.
Not Hermione Granger. All right, we're gonna bring it down to open range, or what are we gonna do here?
Yeah, Oki, that's kind of right.
I mean, no knock on Emma Watson, great actress, but yeah, the character's annoying as fuck. But
Yeah, BBQ Larry. Harry Potter.
Harry Potter.
She's in one of my favorite movies with a flawless American accent, The Perks of Being a Wallflower. If you've never seen it, it's a fantastic movie. Great book, too.
I actually haven't seen it, no.
Me neither.
Well, real quick, I still have long my.
Position closed.
That's
Order
that's
canceled.
some strong reversal movement off 148 there.
Look at that. How's he doing?
Where's my news feed? Oh, I don't have it up. That would be why.
How's he doing?
Nice, Matthew.
I don't think that's what.
Let's see if they bring it down to opening range.
Gotta take profit at 3. On this account.
Lift the Trader says my childhood crush was Hermione.
Was it?
Balance
That's
account.
funny.
Hey, there it comes right back down. Thank you.
All right, so we grabbed that.
Let's see.
Fell in line. Fell in
Let's
line.
see what he does
Actually.
here.
4.0.
Order submitted. Order
I
submitted.
love
Order
pre-market
fill.
high. Pre-market high and opening range high. Call it like 53.75 to 52.25. It's going to be the area I look for, possibly going long here. If they get down there, that would be just
Hey, like I
amazing.
said, a million times, he's up. I'm right on it.
I'm hoping to take this.
At least tap it. You know, that'd be nice. Just tap it.
The last
you know?
time I.
Tap it in.
Tap
Just
and go.
tap it in. Give it a tap, tap,
Give it a
tap-a-roo.
little tappy tap.
Little tappy tap.
Give it a tappity tap tap.
But yeah.
I love how he said that Mary,
That's all we're looking for is this move right here.
Why are you not playing long on NQ? Please explain, thanks.
Because I said I was going to play.
We're hoping to pull back some of that.
That's all I got.
Oh no.
Long on NQ does look good.
Come on.
Pre-market high, 25,128.
Come on. What are you doing? Take this. What just happened?
250 has some buyers on ES. So if they can bring it down
Uh-oh.
to like 54, give it a little tap. That'd be nice. Ooh, but we do have some decent sellers sitting there at 67, 66.
What happened? How did that even add?
Might need to come down just
I don't know, but we're gonna keep it.
Plus one standard deviation sitting there at about 120 as well. So if we break a little bit, that'd be the first area to watch. Bebop at 060.
Gold is in an ugly consolidation right now, but that's gonna lead to a pretty proper breakout, probably. Up or downside, I don't care.
They're just the worst.
Hey, good morning, Six. How are you doing?
I'm really confused on how I added more.
Opposite. What if some of the sellers back?
Sorry, it's all gone.
What was that?
Good morning, Tiger.
Cracked
Oh well,
my
whatever.
knuckles.
That's kind of dumb.
Cracking the knuckles.
Because they're pissing me off right now.
Who's pacing you off?
These ES sellers and buyers.
Mm,
I don't know what they want to do right here.
I say.
I'm really looking for a tap into this opening range, and I don't think I'm going to get it.
Everyone in here signed up for the Grand Cup?
Well, they better have.
Mm.
I mean, if you're an active Tradovate trader, entry is free and you get to win $200,000 if you win. Like, come on.
Come on.
Why would you not sign up for that?
That's what I'm saying.
I honestly, as I've said, the competition, that's going to be a blast. We're going to have a ton of fun with that. But this is literally the cheapest path to a potential live account that I've ever seen. Right? Basically, it's free if you're already a Tradify customer. If not, it's $35 to join. And if you survive those first couple of weeks, now, yeah, you're going to have to be trading pretty well. But like, you'll be putting a live account and you get to keep 80% of the profits from that when the tournament is done. So to me, there's no reason to not enter and just give it a go.
Give it a go.
There's going to be a lot of it's a longer competition than some, but it's still relatively short in terms of trading in longer time frames and trading. So there's going to be some weirdness. There's going to be some anomalies. There's going to be skilled traders get knocked out early. There's going to be YOLOers that make it. And there's going to be everything in between. It's going to be a blast, guys. It's going to be the good kind of chaos. So really hope you guys decide to join up. Make sure to go to Tradify.co and join.
Be fun.
Order submitted.
It's gonna be fun.
Order cancel. Order
It's
fill.
gonna be May.
What?
That's all I got.
You had a big JT crush growing up, didn't you, Mary?
I actually didn't.
That's a great
I actually didn't. Yeah. AJ was my crush. AJ was my crush. From the Backstreet Boys.
Ah, okay.
Yeah,
All
I was
right.
a Backstreet Boys fan. I wasn't an NSYNC fan. They couldn't even last together.
My wife has more new kids, but I think little Backstreet Boys too. So
Yeah. Yeah, new kids are good. I like new kids.
Order cancel. Order fill.
Thank you.
Man, we are just hovering.
Hey, Six. Six says, I'm just praying I can keep up and make you guys proud. Just do your best.
All right, guys, we did tap into that opening range. I'm going to try this long here. So I am long ES at the opening range. Let me see if I can show it.
but Sigs, if you bomb out in the first week, we're blocking you. I'm just kidding, guys. This really is all just in good fun. We're gonna have so much fun shit talk, and it's gonna be a blast. So just
We're just gonna shit talk all the competitors. That's what we're gonna do.
yeah. Oh, listen. I will tell you this. I could. Well, we got resets and stuff early on, but I could bomb out week 1. I'm gonna shit talk everybody the whole tournament. I don't even care.
Why not at this point?
Yeah, why not?
All right, ES, do not disappoint me.
Sellers are putting on pressure now. 100.
All right, let's
Wait a minute. Are we getting screwed by? We are. What the fuck?
Gotta give some room.
Oh, Zampik, we'll see what happens, man. I'm if you're on Team TV, Team I can talk. Team Tradify TV, and you make it into live. I don't know. Maybe they'll let us chat with you guys a little bit, and we'll rah you guys up. So.
Oh hell yeah, that would be sick.
Yeah, so get through the first couple weeks, make it to live.
Okay.
Any of our team members that are involved in that.
I don't think this is the spot right here, but
Come on, sellers.
Sanjeev, will we have another giveaway? Hell yeah, we will. But we need to set a like goal. Currently, we're sitting at 554. Get the stream to 671 likes, and we're gonna do another giveaway.
do
671.
another giveaway. Hello.
Yeah. Farouk asks, Nick, can you explain negative gamma and is it dealer hedging it and pushing the NQ higher? Honestly, that's not something I use, so I have no idea. I have no idea. Hey, we just crossed 53,200 subscribers.
Nice.
Heyo.
Heyo.
Welcome everybody. Welcome everybody who's new.
All right, ES has some buyers sitting at 52, so my stop on this is going to be 48. 47.75 is my stop.
They have to.
All right.
Let's see if they can keep this opening range held.
Tanner's asking, can we change the team name to Team Bebop?
Hey,
I don't know who I'm up
I like
against.
it. Can we?
We could, I guess.
Except nobody outside this show is gonna know what the fuck that is. So.
Yeah.
All right, we're coming right into
Like, yeah, sure.
+1 standard deviation off Bebop. Another about 5 or 6 handles down, and we will break the lower channel. We just did.
Mary, I only heard you enter the trade. Sorry, is that what was your entry on that?
My entry was 54.25.
So we're getting into
54.25.
That'll be
Yes, which is
insane.
looking like they might stop me out here, which sucks. Bebop, or yeah, Bebop sitting at 44, but I'm not gonna.
Are you in
Alright.
one or how many contracts?
so
I'm in 5 on
Ooh.
ES.
on the 2-minute, it's been closing up
And I am
above
trading
here on my
this
chart up there.
amount.
And even though if we
The
throw the
funded
2-minute,
amount.
oh, it does. 2 minutes screwing us up there. What the heck? What the heck?
Yeah, looking like they want to drop it here, which kind of sucks.
NQ kind of pulling hard right here.
All right.
NQ could hold right here, but let's see if they hold it. Not really loving that ES is pulling back below the pre-market high here. 651.
Come on. Don't give up here.
Could hold at Bebop, so we'll see. I might close it and get out. Yeah, so I just got stopped out of that, guys. I stopped out on that trade, but let's see what they do here. Stop me out and then go. That's fine.
Damn it, dude. What
The
the freak?
Bebop sitting at
What the freak?
725.50. So let's see if they try to hold it there.
Sorry, guys.
Sager, it's what Tradeify account we suggest for a first-time buyer. Honestly, a lot of it depends on your experience level prior to joining up with us. If you're somebody who's got a consistent edge, maybe you've been making some decent money, you know, Lightning Funded's probably where you want to go. If you're somebody who still a little new, you probably want to start with one of the evals, either the growth or the advanced, and just kind of figure it out from there based on the rules and whether you want to, you know, kind of pay upfront for the activation fee or not, and just take a look at them and see where you go from there.
Ugh, that really sucks. They took my stop on that. It wicked me.
Oh no, and now pushing back up.
They're trying. I want to see if they can get down and beep up. Let's see.
It's a big point for the NQ here. It's right in that
Yeah,
highway band.
Yeah, NQ is really at a key level as well. Those rats.
Way too much.
Oh,
my god,
that's the worst. It's the worst when they literally tick you to your stop.
Mm-hmm.
Like literally tick.
That is awful. Gold Hunter Trader, we didn't take any trades today on the 0 to hero account, so we still have $150 drawdown left.
Come on,
Back at it tomorrow.
Where are you?
Back at it again. And Q's holding much better than ES here. Also, I don't know why my whole dashboard just completely defaulted to something else. It's so weird.
All right.
E.
I was like, who's doing this? Like, who's doing this?
Yeah.
That is cool.
There we go.
That was a lot.
All right, so we're gonna target.
No.
All right. Well, that was my attempt at opening range high hold, which didn't quite get on ES.
So, damn, they just dropped
I will say if they break, I wouldn't expect them to break this 745, 744 level. If they do, then I think they would make a break on the opening range low, which is sitting at 735. But I do expect to hold. Seeing that Nasdaq's holding,
Let's go
I
for
would
the
expect
next target.
ES to hold at 744. That would probably be the lowest I would see it go.
This is an interesting one, I will say. I've never traded
I don't like it.
gas on stream before, and I just got into a small position. Actually,
I like this
natural gas,
for
wow, we're just spiking up.
potential longs
The whole
on NQ.
point was to play the range. We're in a range over the last hour or so.
Yeah, and
So I got long at the
looks
bottom of
much
the
better for a
range.
long. ES struggling a little bit.
Like, not like anything.
Jose, what do you mean exactly?
Quickly show my chart, and I can show what I was looking at. We'll come right back to same.
Don't understand the question.
Yeah, this was all I was looking at here.
So this is where target one is where we're hanging around at. I actually had my levels all messed up, so we're gonna hope that it goes back up to level 2 and then punches into level 3. But what we'll do is we'll just go ahead and target midday of
What are you saying, Nick?
this is the close
Just what I really like is the
2 days ago.
4-hour candle. Like ideal. 4-hour candle is like ideal for.
This is what we're gonna hope for. We're gonna hope for continuation
Did retest the
on
4-hour
this.
gap on
It
the 15-minute chart. So
I don't really like it, to be honest.
a strong push.
Oh
Like how we're
shoot!
hanging
Yeah,
out
I
in
should have got
the
out
red
right there.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, ES breaking beep up now. See if they hold. This is about 50% of the retracement that we got from the overnight session in terms of, call it like when we started seeing the bullish move. 725. Yeah, it's about 50%. So they want to hold it. They should hold it here. Otherwise, break the opening range low, I would expect.
Come on, tell me.
Hey, I've seen a couple of people, guys. I know how frustrating all the Project X stuff is, guys, but our team is busting their ass to get through everything, and they're having to go through accounts individually to make sure you guys get credit for the positive trades that you've taken. So I'm not going to downplay anybody's frustration, and but please give our team time to do that. I can tell you from seeing them behind the scenes chat, they are working in crazy shifts to get all of this done, and they're busting their ass for it. So please just give them a little grace, give them a little patience, and go from there. So this yeah, I mean, again, I'll direct you to Brett's tweets and statements in Discord about it. But yeah, just give him. From what I understand, it's going to take them probably through tomorrow, maybe even a little bit on the weekend to get through everything individually. They just don't want you guys to have to give up the progress that you've worked hard for. So please give it time. And that's on top of any other issues that may crop up in people's accounts that need support. It's so.
Absolutely.
Order filled. Position open.
What are you seeing, Matt? This is looking like a nice break so far. Nasdaq's still looking strong to me.
Mm-hmm. I'm just looking for a really nice setup for this, the first trade in this, the Tradovate funded that I passed yesterday on the stream with Nick. And I've said, I mean, listen, and the first trade is in a funded account. If it's red, it's not the end of the world. You can come back, but again, your chances.
We really didn't do the strategy, and we're
just, if you can put in, $1,000 or even $1,500 like type of trade to start with, it really puts you in a
close. We're closing.
Okay.
As I say that, I'm going to go short here, guys, in the NQ for a play down to beat bop.
Play it down to beat bop. Nice. Yes, looks good for a break of this opening range low here.
Not a huge trade here, guys. My entry is 090. My stop is going to be probably about 110-ish. And I want to see beat bop down at that's sitting there at about 71. Just two minis for me.
Nasdaq's holding the opening range. See if ES can resist at this 744 level. Because I might consider a short there as well.
Order
A little bit of a retrace. So far rejecting.
All right.
There's a nice little flushy.
Nice,
Let's go.
yeah.
Let's go. Let's get down to that 70. Below 75, I will move stop to break even.
We are actually not doing the strategy. I don't know why we're screwing the strategy up.
It's been an issue for me over the summer. Ooh, we got a fight on our hands here.
Oh, we do.
They are fighting right now. The girls are fighting. Bears have to hold 100 here. And the Bulls cannot let it flush through there. Again, Bulls cannot let it flush through about 85.
Let's see ES here. I'm curious to see what they do.
There we go, buyers. Let's go. Power off.
All right, there's my stop there, guys. I can't sit here and take a 4-figure loss on first trade in a funded, so that's a 670 loss on that one.
Yeah, they're holding opening range high on NASDAQ.
I love the flush below 100, but the bears couldn't hold it there.
Oh, come on, Cedric.
Considering the short on ES.
Battle Goliath. How are you giving?
I think if NAS gets down back, well, oh no, I think they're gonna try to hold it here. Yeah.
The sellers are trapped. Damn it.
NAS needs to get back above pre-market high.
All right. Well, we weren't smart about it.
Yes, back above 750.
We didn't trade the strategy on this one. It's not looking good. Pretty stupid. We're supposed to be trading strategy to make sure everything is good, and we just didn't. We have the bounce.
Boy, I'm very happy with my exit on that trade. Popped pretty hard after that. Boy, the bears had control for about half of the last 5-minute candle. I mean, it was the first time I've seen since the open where it felt like, okay, bears got this for at least a few minutes, and then they flushed 100 and they lost all their momentum.
They completely reversed that, yeah.
And again, that's why a trade like that I do like, because it's a good R-to-R, right? I was basically setting up for about I think it was about 1,700, 1,800. It was almost a 3-to-1 R-to-R, because if it pushed up above 100 again, it was going to go back up, which is exactly what happened. So
this is very interesting price action, yeah, especially on ES. Above 750 now, but pre-market high might still hold as resistance. Let's see. Completely engulfing, or trying to engulf the candle before it.
I really like this now for longs.
NASDAQ looks better for a long. I still kind of like ES for a short.
Yeah, I'm talking about NQ, sorry. NQ for longs.
Oh, that just took it.
What was that?
Who knows?
It was like a 25-point push out of nowhere. 1 second.
Yeah, what the fuck is that? Weird.
I like it though.
Yes, right at opening range high here. Reject or continue?
I'm waiting for this 15-minute candle to close, but I'm eyeing longs on NQ. That was clean.
Curious to see what we do here on ES.
Orders.
Looks like they want to push it, possibly.
If this hits, we're going back in.
Actually, the entry should have been 138.
We're pretty stupid because we
on NQ.
We just didn't do our strategy, which is really dumb.
Set a limit there.
We're going to go for 22.
Maybe we get filled again. Who knows?
ES needs to figure out what it wants to do here. Those buyers are, or those sellers are still sitting there at 56. But
Should have freaking held that, man.
they might, yeah, they're looking like they might push through them.
We're so dumb.
Yeah, they're gone now. They're like, bye.
Like everybody else. Harish, right now I can't show my screen because whenever I show my screen, it freezes me. I don't know why. We're still trying to figure that out.
Order pin.
Does it happen on the London stream?
No.
Oh, probably a bandwidth thing.
It's since we're using that new link, but Drew is figuring it out.
It's that damn link.
Yeah, for real. It was working great before.
Ridiculous, guys. Ridiculous. I messed up. Big
Saw that
time.
now. Hey, what did
Big
I say? Like
time.
what did I say?
I have no idea.
I have no idea either. I'll make this easy for you guys, okay? Let's do 622. Get us to 622 likes and we're going to do another giveaway.
I like this rejection on ES.
I said 671. Okay, you guys are lucky now. You only need 622. I might get filled on this still.
What are you looking for specifically again?
Entry at 138.50. That would be, I have a limit order there.
138.50. I like that. Yeah, that sounds good. That sounds good. Let's see if ES can hold, even though it's rejecting its opening range. Let's see if it can hold.
Come on.
The 50 level.
Come on.
Otherwise, I will consider a short.
I need this one right here. Right here is where I want to enter. Come on. Come on. Give it to me.
All right, we're breaking here.
I got filled. I got filled. 138.50.
Give me one.
Pretty tight stop at 124.75 though. Long. By the way.
Nasdaq looks better for long. ES looks better for a short.
Gotta love it.
Here's where we're at.
My target is the 5-minute candle body, actually 3-minute candle body high. So target is 25, 173.75. Let's see. Nice rejection there. I like it.
Yeah, Nas is holding its pre-market high pretty well. Pre-market high 25,128. ES has a little bit more work to do to convince me that bulls are coming in. If anything, I'd rather go short on ES here.
That's fair.
All right, I tried it. Trying ES for a short.
Ooh.
I'm very tight on this though.
Yeah, and Nasdaq is struggling, pushing back up, so you might be in a better position. Let's see.
We'll see. My stop on this is going to be pretty much the high of that candle, 756.50.
650. Yeah, Alwyn, I'm long in Q as well. Apex Legends, yep, long and Q. So I'm long, Mary is short. Somebody has to win.
Oh boy, oh boy.
Somebody
Here we
has
go.
to win. Come on.
Yeah, they're jerking both of us.
This is I don't like it when the market just doesn't move. You enter a trade and it just doesn't move.
It's always like this.
Mm-hmm.
It's literally always like this. Let's see what's happening on book maps. Yeah, I like my yeah, I like my stop. I like my stop. 56.75. Because there are those sellers sitting there, and it is an area of resistance that we do have as well. We'll just see what we get.
NQ is trying to push. It just doesn't get the follow through yet. But I like the trade. I like the trade.
Yeah, yours looks good. I just need ES to drop, and then NASDAQ can do whatever it wants to do. I don't really care. This would be cool if they actually did the opposite when we need them to. That'd be great.
I can just wick my TP or your TP first and then go to the other. It doesn't matter.
Yeah, mine's not looking too great. Not looking too great.
Oh, almost hit TP there. Almost. That was close.
I just need this continued rejection of opening range high. That'd be great.
I'm break even now, guys. I'm break even. +1.
Nice.
So my stop is at 139.25 now.
Okay, very nice.
I was up 30 points on this. I do not want to let this go red.
Ooh, yeah. We can switch to my screen just to show like the levels that I'm looking at on ES.
Is my screen not good enough for you?
Jeez. There he is.
A little statsy.
Feisty.
Come on, NQ. Push it up.
Push it real good.
Push it up. Oh,
So did I hear, Miriam, you're short the ES, next long the NQ?
Yeah.
yeah, but TP hit, I'm out. Fully out, guys. Fully out.
So Nick's fully out, and I'm probably getting stopped out here. Oh, we'll see.
Nah.
57. Yep, there it is. Just took me out.
Lean.
All right. Tell me this isn't another top wick. Oh, I'm about to lose it. That's great. That is great. Just push it now, ES. What are you doing? There you go.
What are you doing?
That'll make me feel better at least that I didn't get top.
Yeah, right. At least it stops you out. Like.
All right, guys,
proper
it's time for me to
That's
go.
right, like, because that's
All
another
the
thing. Like,
loves.
we always say that too. We want to be. If we're wrong, we want to be
No,
wrong.
we're just gonna
but
hold.
wrong in a way that feels.
We're
like,
either gonna
that was
be
a good
jacked
one.
up, or we're gonna make it.
True.
So that is that. You know what I mean?
Hey, yeah, Highlands. Congrats on your number one top fan role in the chat today.
I personally think we will be fine.
All right, ES
We're hitting
is
the
a
next
little
target.
jerky today, so I tried ES. Not it for me. That's why I trade NASDAQ. Sometimes that's why I trade NASDAQ. I'm like, you know what, ES? You're a little brat.
You son of a bitch.
Okay. Abu Bakr, I just didn't want to risk that we reject previous week high again, you know. And I mean, for me, with two minis, 35-point trade or like 36-ish point trade. I mean,
Make it above.
hell yeah, anytime.
Order cancel.
And I just don't like taking partials. I don't know what it is. I don't like taking partials and leave runners. I'd rather be like fully in and fully out. Yes, Mary.
That's fine.
Oh God.
Nobody likes a partial, man.
I didn't say anything. I don't know what you're talking about.
Oh boy. Oh boy.
What's wrong with you two?
What's wrong with you?
Okay, I'm talking about a partial profit target. Nobody likes a partial profit target. I don't know where
agree
you
with
guys are
you.
going.
I don't agree with that.
Yeah, no, I'm the same, Matt. I'd rather take it all or nothing, you know.
All or nothing.
All in or all out.
I seem to remember some like all or nothing like boy band song from some obscure boy band in the 90s. I'm trying to remember. Now I gotta look that up. First thing that came up was all or nothing roofing.
All or nothing roofing?
It's a weird name for okay, all or nothing boy band. O-Town. I don't remember them. I don't know her.
Order cancel. Order fill.
I don't know her.
I don't know her. All right, we should do the giveaway now because we reached 622 likes and we're out of the trade. So let's do it. Guys, if you want to win, potentially win another 100K advanced account, then simply like the stream, subscribe to the channel, and once I give you the keyword, you type that keyword in the chat, but only type it once, because if you type it more than once, you will get disqualified. The keyword is 622, 622 in numbers. Good luck, everybody.
Yeah, Nexus, I'm just trying to change the subject a little bit because my co-hosts are deviants, but whatever.
Mm-hmm. Of
Don't
course,
be a
Matthew.
hater.
Of course, Matthew. You're doing the right thing as usual.
Just trying to
man.
host the show here, guys. You
Oh,
know,
yeah. Just holding it all on your
just-
back, aren't you?
just punching the clock, trying to do my job, trying to not get in any trouble, and they stick
Of
me with
course.
you two. And
Goody two. You're the Hermione Granger of the group.
with much better hair.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'll cop to that. I'll be Hermione, and they stuck me with two Ron Weasleys.
Hey, watch your mouth, Matthew.
Harry. Oh, what's that?
You're a wizard, Harry.
Let's see if these longs come in. I kind of like these on NQ now. They break 190. I like it. 190. What is that level? 192? see.
Closed it. All right, peace. All the loves.
Oh, wow.
No way, Smith Family Financials. That's your birthday, June 22nd. That's why I chose that keyword. Actually, that was the reason.
June 22nd is your birthday. That's awesome.
Mhm.
Ooh, getting a rejection here. Let's see. Think if NQ holds like 176. I do like that. Maybe even 169.
So here's some metrics that we're gonna run. We are going to put, we are positive by time we left.
I heard it. Don't you worry.
Did we stick to the strategy?
John, come on. Look at the chat. What's the keyword?
Obviously, yes.
Nope, they are rejecting. Sellers coming in here. Can you, yeah, see, that's
Hard.
the sellers coming in. Rejected right at 190. Crazy. Crazy.
So
we're down.
John, yours, where did you
freaking,
exit?
I exited at
like that. So
174.
dumb.
25, 174. That's exactly why I don't leave runners. I hate when things like this happen. That's
Yeah,
why.
but if you have a runner that goes,
Of
you know,
course.
another 50 points.
Of course, I understand that. But for me, it's just